First of all, wish you all a happy Independence Day. Today we are celebrating Independence Day. This Independence Day, this is we have got freedom from the British rule, but we have the responsibility.
They have fought for the nation, and then only became we free. We became free.
We celebrated Independence Day to remember the day when India became free from British rule in 1947. We pay tribute to our brave freedom.
जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा। नमस्कार, आदाब। आप देख रहे हैं न्यूज़ राग। मैं हूं सैयद रियाज अहमद। पूरे भारतवर्ष में स्वतंत्रता दिवस की धूम मची हुई है और पूरे हर घर तिरंगा लहर रहा, क्योंकि ये स्वतंत्रता दिवस एक 80वां हम लोग मना रहे हैं। मेरी आप जो है मौजूदगी गुलमोहर इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में है और यहाँ जो है बच्चों ने सांस्कृतिक का कार्यक्रम रखा है। मैं अपने चैनल के माध्यम से यहाँ मैं उपस्थित हूँ। आप देखते रहिए न्यूज़ राग में। सबसे पहले मैं वैसे शख्सियत को मैं दावत देना चाहूँगा कि उन्होंने जो है अपना मुकाम इस स्कूल में ही नहीं पूरे हिंदुस्तान में भी नाम किया है। गुलमोहर इंटरनेशनल के प्रिंसिपल एंड डायरेक्टर मोहम्मद जकी अनवर साहब, जो मैं उनको दावत देना चाह रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैं यहाँ उपस्थित भी हूँ, क्योंकि आज पूरे भारतवर्ष में जो है स्वतंत्रता दिवस मनाया जा रहा हो से उल्लास से। आइए उनसे जानते हैं और उनसे एक संदेश लेते हैं। सबसे पहले बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया
जी, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
क्या कहना चाहेंगे सर?
First of all, wish you all a happy Independence Day. Today we are celebrating Independence Day. This Independence Day, this is we have got freedom from the British rule, but we have the responsibility. As an educator, we are nurturing the minds of the young ones. We are trying to make them the honest person, responsible citizens, and he has to work hard to make the India great, because India needs education, honesty, compassion, unity in diversity. We have to follow the constitutions. We have to follow. We have to abide the rules of the land. We have to be united, and our constitution shows, tells, and it's a unique that unity in diversity. It's a example. India is a very good example. Unity in diversity. We are living in harmony, peace. So I wish all the Indians wish a happy Independence Day. Be united and be safe.
चलिए, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। तो ये थे गुलमोहर इंटरनेशनल के स्कूल के डायरेक्टर प्रिंसिपल जकी अहमद साहब। आप मेरे चैनल में बने रहिए न्यूज़ राग में। नाम है आपका? अभी कौन स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं आप? आज हम लोग क्या मना रहे हैं? आज पूरे भारत नाम है। आज क्या हो रहा है यहाँ? स्वतंत्रता दिवस मना रही हो? कौन क्लास में पढ़ती हो? कैसा लग रहा है आज? अच्छा लग रहा है। नाम हो आपका? आज हम लोग क्या मनाने आए हैं स्कूल में?
इंडिपेंडेंस डे।
कौन से स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं आप?
गुलमोहर इंटरनेशनल स्कूल।
क्या जानते हैं आज के आज़ादी के बारे में, कुछ बताइए।
हमारा देश इंडिपेंडेंस डे मना रहा है।
आज़ादी के जश्न के बारे में कुछ बताइए। स्पीच से जानते हैं ना, आज़ादी कैसे हुई, किन्होंने जो है कुर्बानी, कैसे आज़ादी मिली, उसके बारे में कुछ जानते हैं आप? नहीं जानते हैं? हाँ बताइए।
Every year on 15 August we celebrated Independence Day to remember the day when India became free from British rule in 1947. We pay tribute to our brave freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, and many others who sacrificed their lives to our country freedom.
First of all, wish you all a happy Independence Day. Today is 15th August and we are celebrating Independence Day with great joy. Every Indian, he is celebrating Independence Day. This day we got independence, we became free from the British rule. This freedom we have not got easily. Our forefathers, freedom fighters, they have fought for the nation and then only became we free. We became free. So their sacrifices, their courage, their unity, that teaches us that we have to be a responsible citizen. We are living, breathing in free India, but we have some responsibility. Each and everyone has a responsibility. He has to do in his any field. He has to do for the nation. We have to be honest. We have to have courage. We have to get to acquire knowledge for our nation. If we will not get knowledge, if we will not unite, if we will not show courage, then we cannot grow India. So it's in our hand. You all students, you are the future of the nation. You have the responsibility in your shoulder. So unite. You have to work hard, get education, good education, and compassion. Follow the rule of the land. Follow the constitution. And not only this, freedom, what freedom means? Freedom is for unity, freedom from the poverty, freedom from the illiteracy. Everyone should be educated. No one should be illiterate. That's why we are telling that we have to unite for the nation. We have to build a strong nation. We have to make a good India. First you have to become a good human being, then only India become a stronger, grow stronger and stronger. So it's our responsibility that we have to work for the nation. Keep environment clean, work for the nation. If you will go in any field, like if you want to become a teacher, doctor, engineer, businessman, you have to show a responsible citizen. You have to work for the nation and just take the pledge that we will work hard and we will work for the nation. Thank you.